Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and I got the Galaxy Tab S4. Wait, hold on, Latrell. Don't you already have the Galaxy Tab S4? Yeah, I do. I'm about to sell it, but it's the Wi-Fi version. You guys know I just switched to Verizon, so now I got the Verizon tablet, and I always wanted data on mine, so I got it now. I'm gonna still get the Tab S5. Don't even worry about that, because I heard it's gonna be like pretty powerful for like the Snapdragon 855 and like however many gigs and all that. So pretty much when I was saying I was gonna get premium care, I was working with a guy. The girl was like, well, maybe you want to get it just in case when you leave the store, you want to make sure that everything's a-okay. You don't want to make sure anything messes up. So pretty much I was just like, shut up, give me the protection plan before I get mad. Okay, I didn't say that, but I was like, man, y'all pretty good with selling stuff. But yeah, so we got Tab S4 here in blue. On the left side here, we got S Pen, AMOLED, 10.5 inch, 64 gigs, and LTE. On the right side, we don't have anything. On the back side, we got all our specs. You can read it for yourself. You know I ain't gonna read it. On the right side, we got an S Pen. On the top, we don't got anything. And at the bottom, we just got my info. So let's go ahead and open this thing. There we go. And here's the Galaxy Tab S4. I don't got my Wi-Fi Tab S4, so I'll go ahead and just show that off in another video. Anyways, and here we have Meet Your Tablet. It's just a Verizon bookwork. We got an S Pen here, so you know they come with the S Pens already. We got a regular USB-C cable here. We got our nibs and everything for the S Pen, and we got our fast charger. And inside here, that's it. So okay, so on here we got Galaxy Tab S4, and it's like kind of soft thing. You know what this remind me of? Dryer sheets. Anyways, on the back we got how you can go ahead and set up Samsung DeX with the Pogo keyboard. I got that. It's just not with me right now. And then we got the screen off memo here. So let's go ahead and just get into this thing. So what you do is you just go ahead and peel that off. Go ahead and slide that out there. Ooh, brand new tablet. My other Galaxy Tab S4 isn't brand new. It was actually like 330 bucks from eBay, but it was in like really good condition. So yeah, that's our Tab S4 here. We got our iris scanner and then the rest of the intelligence scan sensors, and then we got our camera, and that's it for the front. So on the right side, we have our volume up, volume down, and then we got our power button. We got a SIM and SD card slot here. We got a microphone. On the back, we got Verizon, camera, flash, Samsung 2x8KG, Energy Star sticker at the bottom. We got our Pogo connectors here, so if like you have the book cover keyboard or that Pogo dock, you could just connect it to that. We got these indents here for the Pogo accessories. At the top, we got some antenna bands. We got 2 speakers. We also got a mic, and at the bottom, we have 2 more speakers, so we have quad speakers. We have 2 more antenna bands. We have our USB Type-C port and the headphone jack. So let's go ahead and just turn this thing on already, and I gotta move all my info to this. But it vibrated longer than usual when I turned it on. And then we got our Samsung logo here. I'm just waiting for the Verizon. Yep, what did I say? I was waiting for that. And yes, so let's just go ahead and wait for this to turn on. Okay, there we go. And there we go. So it's actually on Oreo right now. It's not on Pi. But you can see there we have 4G LTE, so it's on Verizon right now. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and tune out here. Usually I just set it up. I need to go somewhere right now. But yeah, that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. I'll do videos with it, but I'll see you on the next one. And I'll let y'all know if it's worth it having LTE on a tablet. Peace out.